everyone, I'm Yue Yuanyuan with Xinhua News Agency. Now I'm in Chengkan Village, an ancient village with Huizhou style in Huangshan City, East China's Anhui province. During the autumn every year, the local villagers will celebrate the harvest season in a special way. Chengkan Village was built in the Eastern Han Dynasty and has a history of more than 1,800 years. Shaiqiu is a rural tradition in the local areas where autumn crops such as corn, pumpkin, and hot chili peppers are dried in bamboo baskets to be stored over the winter.
我们每年这个时候都要晒秋，家家户户都要搬着这来晒玉米呀、那个南瓜啊、辣椒啊、黑豆啊。什么都晒，我们丰收很开心。
Yellow corn, red chili. The local villagers put those colorful crops into a variety of exquisite patterns to celebrate the harvest, and also made Shaiqiu a local landscape, attracting a large number of tourists every year.